Save just 2 seeds from this cucumber, and your backyard will never run out of them again. Rinse the seeds, dry them for 2 days in open air. Only the fully dry seeds will germinate powerfully. Cucumber roots need loose, deep, rich soil. Work it well before planting, and they will reward you enormously. Day 5, and already the soil is moving. Something powerful is pushing toward the light from below. Day 20, the true leaves are spreading, and the vine is already reaching out, searching for something to climb. Day 40, vines running everywhere, yellow flowers opening daily. The cucumber plant is fully alive now. Day 55, those tiny flowers have become real cucumbers, swelling bigger every single morning. Almost ready now. Harvest day, and one secret compost tea trick keeps this vine producing cucumbers all summer without stopping.